three big attributes which will differentiate you from rest of the world. The first and most important thing will be focus. In life, if you are able to put your entire energy, your entire focus on the work that you are doing, you can achieve tremendous results. Second will be clarity of thought. Today the world is full of information. From this side some information is coming, that side some information is coming. If you are able to think through, if you are able to bring clarity in your mind, if you are able to think clearly, you will be far ahead of anybody else. And third, very important thing is persistence. No solution, no big thing in life comes in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. It's very easy for people to get disheartened and lose out the initiative, the energy, and leave their task. But those who persist, those who stand by their principles, those who think clearly, those who are focused on what the work is requiring, those are the guys who really make a very big difference in life.